Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got another case for you for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now this case is made by Luhuanx. It's a glass back TPU sided case. It's kind of unique in that way, and I wanted to check it out because I liked the way it looked and it had good reviews. So we're just going to go and put it on the phone and see what it looks like, okay? I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Luhuanx case for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's the, I don't know why they got S30 there. They got messed up on that S21. But it's a gradient color. You see that right there. You know, it's a real thin case and doesn't add much bulk. Tempered glass on the back. You can get them in different colors. You got black armor. You got the glass star. So they got different cases here. $898. So that's the price for it right there. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now here's the case right here. It's the gradient case, and it's got this red kind of gradient look on the back. A little bit of writing on it. Life as always, color. Hello at the bottom. Unique packaging right there. Let's go ahead and open this up and get this out. Okay, so I had to get that tape off that case right there. Let's pull this out. All right. Not much in there. They got something in there. Dear valued customer. Yep, we get it. Now this is the case right here. Let's get this out of the way. Gradient look, you can see that black and red right there, and it's got the little writing on the back. Hello, glass case, and life is always color. I guess that's believe, maybe, I don't know. But that's TPU side. Inside is hard. You got a little pattern inside, but it's hard because you got what they call a glass on the back. So it's probably tempered glass on the back right there because it can't crack. I ordered one before and it came in, it was cracked already when I got it, so I just had to send me another one. They were pretty good about that. Now here's the charging port and your speaker grill right there. This will open for the mic as well, and you got your nothing on this side right here. I don't even see any branding or anything on this side here. You got your opening for your mics right there, and your power button right here, and you got this little bit of branding on the back. Now the back camera is raised a little bit, so I think that's going to be protected. We'll check that. No feet on the side, so this will touch the back of the surface, but we'll see how this looks on the device. All right, let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see how it looks. Okay, here's the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let's go ahead and put this inside. Okay, so decent fit. It's not the tightest fit, but it does fit snug. Now this is going to offer minimal protection on the front. I can see that right now. The front glass is not raised at all, hardly. So this probably will touch the surface. Let's see if I can slide any paper underneath there pretty easily. Yeah, so you can't slide the paper underneath there, so it's touching the surface. So you got to have a screen protector when you're using this, or be very careful. So no protection on the front screen. Now the back camera is protected. You can see that. All right. But everything else is not, and it's pretty minimal in the hand, you know, no bulk at all. Power button works well. All right, bottom down rockers right there, and you got a little lanyard opening right there, and you got a little detail on the side there. You see a little, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but a little shiny detail going around the sides there. That's pretty good, but it's a nice looking case. If you want something minimal, that's a little stylish, might be a little conversation piece, you can use this right here. All right? But you got to be careful with this front glass. Now the speaker grill is right there, and then the charging port and everything lines up, because you can see the little mic hole right there, almost covered, but so a little bit more attention to detail in the craftsmanship, but it's not bad. It's a pretty decent case. All right, let's check out wireless charge. Okay, here's the wireless charger. I'm sure it's going to work because it's very thin. It's got glass on the back, so it did pick up the charge. You see that right there. All right, let's stand it up and see what happens. All right, so picked up the charge again, no problem. Let's lay this down, see what happens. All right, so picked it up again, so it does pick up wireless charge, no problem. The glass is cool. Okay, so that was a quick look at the gradient case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's got a tempered glass back and TPU sides. Nice looking case, very slim. You don't need a screen protector if you're careless with your phone, but I think the case is decent for the price. All right. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.